And we're back to learning Premiere Pro, and this time I'm going to show you how to rotate a video. There are multiple ways to do it, but in the end we just have the 3 dimensions to work with. So I'm going to show you how to rotate your video in all these 3 dimensions. At first we need the effect controls. On the window, when you've got your footage in the timeline active, you can adjust it right here in the effect controls, and under motion you will find this simple rotation option. So it's in the first axis, and you can go clockwise or counterclockwise, so it goes from 0 to 360 degrees, or even backwards to minus 360 degrees. You can create an animation for that. Just click on this clock icon, create 2 keyframes, and now it moves from 0 up to 100, whatever you set for the angle. Let me delete this animation. Just click on the clock icon again and confirm. Under effects, just type in 3D. We need the basic 3D and drag and drop it on your footage. If you can't find the effects, go to window, click on effects, it should open. And now we've got the 2 other options, so for the other 2 dimensions, and it's called swivel and tilt. You can start animations for each as well. Let us create one for the swivel. So it's the same principle. You can also delete the animation by selecting these keyframes and pressing the delete key. Let us create another animation, this time for tilt. And you can also combine it directly with the other options. So this is tilt and swivel combined. And you could also add the 3rd dimension, so the rotation. Create an animation for that as well. And now it moves through all 3 dimensions at once. And this is how you can rotate videos in Premiere Pro. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.